So if you have a switchback or a Dyna and you were getting those clicking sounds, but you don't wanna, you already checked the calipers and all that, the rotors, you already checked for debris on your belt and it was okay, try this trick. Try to, like, I sprayed WD-40 right there on the hub wheel, on the bearing, whatever, and apparently that was really clogged, full of debris, and somehow it was doing that clicking sound. But now, no, it's not doing anymore. It's fixed, or at least temporary. So if you don't wanna, if you wanna give this a shot, try this at home. Really easy.